Hey, you guys, welcome and welcome back to my page, man. It's M World Entertainment, and you know it's only right I'm gonna have to take y'all on a little street walk with me. Not much, but just see what's to it. Y'all ready to go along? Let's go.
Hey guys, listen up. Hey, how's respect, man? Welcome to Jamaica, boss, man. How about a little ride around in the mountains? You can get nice pictures.
I just did
On
that.
my pride? Oh, you did already?
Yeah.
All
I just
right.
want to show my,
Alright.
my audience.
Okay.
Free my mind. Okay. Like how them green trees lay over them mansions back there. That's beautiful. Ocho Rios, Jamaica. Got the Harley Davis, Jamaica. The Reggae Alley Bar and Grill. I see these red stripes. It's their beer. Must be their natural beer. See, it's everywhere. People say that it's good. I'm good. ATM. I don't want to go too further because I don't know these kind of what's the name, and they're starting to look dangerous. So I think I'm gonna end my. I think this is where it ends at this Turtle River place. Thank you, my friend. Thank you.
Yeah, no buds, no trees.
No tree line. God, we in our Turtle Park. Guess the guys said it was okay to film at Turtle Park. So we're just gonna come through and see what's the Turtle Park look like. What is to it? Beautiful park. All right, you guys been with me this far on this video because I'm in a foreign country, don't want no problems with nobody. I'm gonna end the video right here and I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.